Tumor is working on keeping you alive. Cancer is not even an illness. Cancer is a symptom. We have so many toxins in our system that would kill us. So the body builds a bubble, a tumor, and collects all these poisons and keeps the poisons on one spot where they don't do harm. That's a tumor. So the cancer is basically your friend. So that's why it's so dangerous if anybody comes with a needle biopsy, and pinches into this tumor and releases the toxins into the system. And all of a sudden they find you have a very fast-growing, very aggressive cancer that you didn't have before the needle biopsy. Same problem occurs with mammography. If a lymph node is really full with toxins and collects all these toxins, and then sometimes there's just too much in it, so it takes a while longer to get rid of these toxins. So when you have a mammography, they put 50 pounds of pressure on the most gland-landed tissue in the female body, the breast. If this lymph node is